natural vegetation and wildlife resources. In previous video, we will see about land resource, what is important, what it uses, and conservation methods. In this video, we will discuss about soil. In this video, we will see definition of soil, factors of soil formation, degradation of soil, and for most important, that is important in every natural resource, that is conservation. How we can conserve that natural resource. Now, how is the soil formed? Soil formation. First, we will see definition of the soil. A thin layer of grainy substance covering the structure of the earth is called as soil. What is soil? That is about 2 to 3 meters of a thin layer as compared to overall crust, that is very thin layer, 2 to 3 meters only. And that thin layer, that is grainy substance covering the surface of earth, that is covered all earth surface, means land surface, that is called as soil. And this soil has 4 parts. First one is topsoil with humus and vegetation. Second part of the soil is covered with subsoil with sand, silt and clay. This one is the first part, there topsoil covers. Then there is a second part, that is subsoil with sand and silt clay. Third part is weathered rock material, that there is. And fourth one is parent rock. These are the 4 parts of the soil. Soil is made of organic matter, minerals and weathered rock found on earth. It takes hundreds of years for formation. It takes huge time, ample time for formation. Now what are factors? These are 5 factors actually. First one is parent rock. From that soil is formed. Then the second one is climate. Third one is flora and fauna, microorganisms. Fourth one is relief. And fifth one is time. Time is most important because that is not the activity of day-to-day activity. For soil formation, years to years has required for soil formation. Now these are the factors soil formation. Let's see. First one is climate. Now in climate, temperature, moisture and rain, that covers. For soil formation, what type of temperature, how much, moisture and rain. Second one is parent rock, that decides what type of soil, that is color, texture, chemical properties, mineral and content. These are based on that parent rock. Then relief, altitude, slope, accumulation of soil. Flora and fauna and microorganisms decides rate of humus formation in the soil. Climate, parent rock, relief, flora and fauna, and time, fifth factor, thickness of the soil decides time factor. Factors for degradation of soil. There are 2 types of factors. First one is or factors for degradation of soil. Soil conservation. Now, these are the factors, but we have to conserve our valuable resource. Now, what are the solutions? Soil conservation refers to the protection, efficient use of soil and prevention of soil resource. Different types of soil are available, suitable for particular types of crops. Now, there are some methods. Approximately 5 methods are there. These are we can conserve our valuable resource. First one is mulching. Bare ground between plants is covered with a layer of organic matter like straw. It helps to retain soil moisture. Here we can control soil erosion. Second one is counter plugging. Bare stones, grass, soils are used to build barriers along counter. Trenches are made in front of them to collect water. This one is the second method for conservation of our soil resource. Next one is shelter belt. We can shelter belt are the rows of trees planted to check the wind movements to protect soil cover. In some areas, due to air, soil erosion is happening, and to prevent that erosion, there is a such type of long row is planted, and due to that, we can control soil erosion here. That is the shelter belt. Third one is intercropping. In between the different crops are grown alternate rows and are sown at different times to protect the soil from rainwash. And rock dam. Rocks are built up to slow down the flow of water. This prevents gillies and further soil loss. The next one is counter barriers. Then terrace farming. In some areas, terrace farming is going on. Broad flat slabs or terrace are made on the steep slopes so that flat surface are available to grow crops. In some cities also, such method is adopting, and even in their residential areas, such type of terrace farming is going on for vegetable and such type of things they are growing there. Now, do one activity. In India, soil could be alluvial, black, red, laterite, desertic and mountain sand. Collect a handful of different types of soils and observe how they are different. Difference between soils. You have to make this type of